Hello everyone. Let's talk about AWS Systems Manager Parameter Store. This service securely manages configuration data and secrets, simplifying application management. Parameter Store lets you store strings, secure strings, and lists, like API keys or database credentials. It integrates with IAM for fine-grained access control and encrypts sensitive data with AWS KMS. You can access parameters via APIs, making it easy to use with Lambda or EC2. Imagine a web app needing secure database access. Parameter Store holds the credentials, allowing seamless retrieval without hard coding, or a DevOps team uses it to manage app configurations across environments. Its versioning tracks changes, ensuring consistency. Why Parameter Store? It's secure, scalable, and cost-effective, with no additional charge for standard parameters. Explore AWS Systems Manager Parameter Store on the AWS console today, and streamline your configurations. Thanks for joining.